Namaste, I JVN Gaurav Goyal. Today we are going to discuss about the shifting of patient from stretcher and wheelchair, including in subject patient care positioning and mobilization VSART 7 Let we discuss about the shifting patient from stretcher. Provide for the patient privacy by closing the door to the hallway or drawing the curtain around the bed. Start with the patient near the edges of the bed in the supine position with knees flexed and feet flat. Adjust the bed and the stretcher to the flat horizontal position and adjust the height of bed to the height of the stretcher. Position the stretcher parallel to the bed and lock the wheels. Check to be certain that oxygen lines, IV tubing and urinary catheter are free and will not be pulled during the transfer. If you work alone, lean across the stretcher, placing one arm under the patient's shoulder and the other arm under the pelvis. On your instructions, have the patient push with feet and elbow as you lift and pull the patient toward the stretcher. Shifting a patient from wheelchair. To move the patient from wheelchair to X-ray table, following steps. First step, lock wheel, chair, brakes and move footrest. Second is the assist patient to stand. Assist patient with step tool if necessary. Place wheelchair parallel to the table, lock the brakes and move footrest out of at this point. The procedure will vary depending on whether you are fortunate enough to have an extra table that is adjustable in height. If the height of the extra table is adjustable, lower the table to chair height. In this instance, the transfer to the extra table is the reverse of the transfer to the from the bed. Using the face-to-face assistance explained previously, help the patient to stand and pivot with the patient back with the patient back to the table, then ease the patient into a sitting position on the edge of the table. Thank you. The session is over. The session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.